This is an opportunity for you, and we do provide support in the setup and extraction of your oils. When we talk about personal care products, we are looking at natural hair care products, organic shampoos and conditioners, body lotions, your body scrubs, your hand sanitizers, your organic feminine care, extra virgin coconut oil, your herbal extracts, and that's a key advantage to us that makes our product organic. We think of our cocoa butter, and it is rich in good for moisturizing. It has a very high vitamin content, EA, which is exceptional for the skin. We all want to look young and pretty and to defy the signs of aging. There is less chance of skin irritations. The formulations are simpler to make. The active ingredients work together very well to produce the desired effect you are looking for. So take, for instance, you want to reduce the wrinkles. Then we look at those ingredients that will give you that benefit. Say you want a lotion that will stimulate the blood flow. We're getting all the arthritis coming in, getting on us. Then you want to think of your ginger oil extract or your lemongrass oil extracts, what we know as fever grass, to consider infusing those oils in your natural products.
This is one of the fastest growing industries globally that we can benefit tremendously from this.
I make natural bar soaps predominantly, but I also do body oils. From time to time, persons may ask me to make something specific for them. I do body wash as well. I do a garlic oil. I do a massage oils as well.
There is a big opportunity along the value chain, endless opportunities. So we want to tap into that opportunity that exists, not only from retailing your personal care products, but from considering providing the raw material base. So you may want to go into oil extraction, right? You may want to you may want to be a farmer, so you may want to grow those herbs, plant-based material, so you can be an intermediary manufacturer from the oil extraction aspect or from the farming aspect. Persons are preoccupied with looking good. And if you don't look good, you are deemed to what? Not doing well in society. So we all want to look good. We all want to choose the best products that has a minimum negative impact on your body.
Gone are the days we can say we just mix a bit of aloe vera, some of this bush or that bush, and we have a product and we take it to the market. You have to drive the traffic to your product through confidence in your product. You don't gain confidence in your product by word of mouth, but by persons utilizing those products and having the testimonials and evidence that it actually works. At the SRC, we pride ourselves in being an application-based science and technology as well as innovation institution. At the SRC, we can assist you through the entire process. If we can't do it directly, we have partner institutions who can.